Corollary. Corollary is the statement which is proved using the theorem of which this corollary belongs. देखो, कोरोलरी किसी न किसी थ्योरम का होता है और वैसा स्टेटमेंट होता है जिसे हम उसी थ्योरम का यूज करके प्रूव करते हैं. नाउ कोरोलरी ऑफ थ्योरम 6 which is discussed above. The perpendicular bisectors of two chords of a circle intersect at its center. Given. See, student, there is the method of contradiction to prove a statement. Here that will be applied. मैथमेटिक्स में एक मेथड ऑफ कंट्राडिक्शन मेथड है जिससे हम थियरम या स्टेटमेंट को प्रूव करते हैं. हम उसी को यहाँ अप्लाई करने वाले हैं. इस मेथड में हमें जो कुछ प्रूव करना होता है उसका अपोजिट लेते हैं. तो यहाँ ए बी एंड सी डी आर टू chords whose perpendicular bisectors O dash E and O dash F meet at O dash. We have to prove that O and O dash coincide. For that we have to construct, and the construction is join OE and OF. Join OE and OF. Now proof. It is given that E is the midpoint of AB. This implies that OE is perpendicular to AB, since the line joining the midpoint of a chord to its center to the center this implies that OE is the perpendicular bisector of AB, but given that O dash E is perpendicular bisector of AB, hence O dash E and OE coincide. Similarly, we can prove that O dash F and OF coincide. Thus O dash E and OE thus O dash E lies along OE and O dash F lies along OF. This implies that the point of intersection of O dash E and O dash F coincides the point of intersection of OE and OF. This implies that O dash and O coincide. Coincide means one thing above another thing. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Students, today we will continue some more chord properties of a circle, and in this regard, this is theorem 7. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Equidistant means at the equal distance. It means that in the circle COR, chord AB is equal to CD. According to the theorem, they are equidistant from at the equal distance from the center O. We know that the distance of a line from a point is the length of perpendicular. So OM, this is ON. So we have to prove OM is equal to ON. Here again we have to congruent triangles. For that we have to join OB and OC. So we have to congruent triangle OMB and triangle ONC. You see that these angles are right angles. So here these two triangles are right triangles. You also see that OB is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. So we have to equate BM is equal to CN. Let us proceed. Here we have joined OB and OC. AB is equal to CD. It is given. This implies that 2BM is equal to 2CN. The reason is perpendicular from the center to a chord bisect the chord. So we have BM is equal to CN, right? Therefore triangle OBM is congruent to triangle OCN. Here BM is equal to CN, proved above. These are radii of the same circle, so they equal. By RHS rule, this implies that OM is equal to ON by CPCT. Now theorem 8 converse of theorem 7. The chords of a circle equidistant from the center are equal. In circle COR, it is given that chords AB and CD are at the equal distance from the center, means OM is equal to ON. We have to prove AB is equal to CD. For that, again we have to construct, and the construction will be here also we congruent triangles join OA and OC. Now you can see that OA is equal to OC. These two triangles are right triangle. We have to equate AB and CD. So we have to equate AM is equal to CN. For that, we have to congruent triangles OAM and OCN. Here it is given OM is equal to ON. So these two triangles are triangle OAM is congruent to triangle OCN by RHS rule. This implies that AM is equal to CN CPCT. This implies that 2AM is equal to 2CN Euclid's axiom. This implies that AB is equal to CD. The reason is perpendicular from the center to a chord. There is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. There is one and only one circle passing through three given non-collinear points. देखो, अगर हम इस कंटेक्स्ट में बात करें, इस थ्री के जगह हम कहें वन, अगर हम पूछें कि एक वन पॉइंट से कितने सर्कल पास करते हैं, तो इसका जवाब क्या होगा? तुम एक पॉइंट लो और उससे सर्कल पास कराने की कोशिश करो, तुम देखोगे कि इन्फिनाइट सर्कल पास करेंगे, राइट? तुम देखोगे कि इन्फिनाइट सर्कल पास करेंगे। लेकिन यदि तुम 2 पॉइंट से लेकर के सर्कल पास कराने की कोशिश करोगे, 2 पॉइंट्स ले लो और दोनों से ही सर्कल पास कराना है, तो तुम देखोगे कि तब भी इन्फिनाइट सर्कल पास होंगे। तुम रेडियस बदलते जाओ, रेडियस बदलते जाओ तो क्या होगा? आर्क का एंगल, सेंट्रल एंगल फैलता जाएगा, बड़ा होता जाएगा और तुम्हें इन्फिनाइट सर्कल मिलेंगे। लेकिन अगर तुम 3 नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स ले लेते हो तो वन एंड ओनली वन सर्कल पास करता है, ऐसा क्यों? तो देखो, नॉन कोलिनियर पॉइंट्स मीन्स पॉइंट्स नॉट ऑन अ line. Suppose that the 3 non-collinear points are these points A, B and C, right? we join them. We have to prove that there is one and only one circle passing through these A, B and C. For that, we draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. That will be something like this. This is PQ. This is perpendicular bisector of AB. Now we draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. That will be RS. Let they intersect at O. Now proof. O lies on perpendicular bisector of AB. This implies that OA is equal to OB. Why OA is equal to OB? You can congruent it. This triangle will be congruent to this one by SAS. So OA becomes equal to OB. Now we can also show OB is equal to OC. Similarly, you can see O lies on the perpendicular bisector of BC. So OB is equal to OC, because you can make congruent these two triangles by side angle side, right? OB is equal to OC. Therefore OA is equal to OB is equal to OC. अब देखो OA, OB, OC तीनों इक्वल है, तो O को सेंटर और OA को रेडियस लेकर अगर हम सर्कल खींचते हैं तो वह B से भी जाएगा, C से भी जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि सर्कल क्या होता है, किसी फिक्स्ड पॉइंट से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर पॉइंट्स का कलेक्शन। तो OA, OB, OC तीनों इक्वल है, तो जो सर्कल होगा वो तीनों से जाएगा, राइट? So we can say that taking O as center and OA as radius, the circle drawn will pass through B and C also. In this way, there is a circle passing through A, B and C. Now we have to show there is only one circle. So we know that the point of intersection of any two lines is only one, is one and only one. This implies that PQ and RS intersect at one and only one point O. It means that there is one and only one circle with center O and radius OA of any two chords of a circle the chord which is larger is nearer to the center. किसी सर्कल के दो कॉर्ड्स में वह कॉर्ड जो लार्जर है वह सेंटर के ज़्यादा करीब होता है. You can see here chord AB and CD. You can say AB is larger than CD. According to the theorem, AB will be nearer than CD. Means OM is lesser than ON. Why so? Let us prove it. Proof. Join OB and OD. Now in right triangle OMB and right triangle OND we have to show OM is less than ON. It is given AB is more than CD. This implies that 2BM is greater than 2DN because OM is perpendicular from the center to a chord. This implies that BM is more than DN. BM is more than DN implies that BM square is more than DN square, implies that minus BM square is, can you tell the sign here? Let us see an example. Since you can see 2 is greater than 1, therefore minus 2 is less than minus 1. अगर हम किसी पॉजिटिव नंबर के दोनों तरफ नेगेटिव नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो यह साइन इंटरचेंज हो जाता है, जैसा कि यहाँ हुआ. 2 1 से ग्रेटर होता है लेकिन -2 -1 से छोटा होता है. अब हम अगर दोनों तरफ OB स्क्वायर ऐड कर दें तो क्या होगा? अब हम OB स्क्वायर माइनस BM स्क्वायर, OB स्क्वायर माइनस BM स्क्वायर को क्या लिख सकते हैं? क्या हम OM स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं? क्या हम OB को OD लिख सकते हैं? यस. रेडियाई ऑफ द सेम सर्कल. और क्या हम OB स्क्वायर माइनस BM स्क्वायर को OM स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स, बिकॉज पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. OD स्क्वायर माइनस DN स्क्वायर को क्या लिख सकते हैं? क्या हम ON स्क्वायर लिख सकते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. This implies that OM is less than ON. Now its converse. Of any two chords of a circle, the chord which is nearer to the center is larger. So here we have OM is lesser than ON. We have to prove AB is greater than CD. So we have to construct join OB and OD. We have to prove AB is more than CD. For that we have to prove BM is more than DN. We can write OM is less than ON. This implies that OM square is less than ON square. This implies that minus OM square is more than minus ON square. This implies that if we add OB square on both sides, more than OB square minus ON square, and we replace this OB by OD. OB square minus OM square, this is BM square. OB square can be written as OD. So OD square minus ON square, radii of the same circle, and Pythagoras theorem we can write OB square minus OB square in triangle OMB. So we have BM square is more than OD square minus ON square is equal to DN square. This implies that BM is more than DN. This implies that 2BM is more than 2DN. 2BM is AB. So AB is more than CD. Now some results are based on congruent circles which can be proved and understood easily. So let me leave those results for your self study and self proof. Let me finish chord properties of circles.